Close your eyes and imagine standing in a place so surreal, it feels like another planet, a glowing mirror-like desert stretching endlessly, a fiery crater that's been burning for decades, or a rainbow-colored river flowing through a lush jungle. These places aren't from a sci-fi movie or fantasy novel. They're real, and today, we're exploring the 7 craziest places in the world. Each one has a story that will leave you amazed, from their stunning beauty to the bizarre forces of nature that created them. Ready to uncover these wonders? Let's dive in! Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, the largest salt flat in the world. Salar de Uyuni spans an incredible 10,582 square kilometers, 4,086 square miles, in southwest Bolivia. This place transforms depending on the season. During the dry season, it's a seemingly endless expanse of bright white salt, cracked into geometric patterns. It feels like you're walking on the surface of the moon. But the true magic happens in the rainy season when a thin layer of water collects over the flat. The salt reflects the sky perfectly, creating a mirror effect so stunning it's been called the border between heaven and earth. Imagine standing there as the sun sets, with oranges, pinks, and purples blending into infinity. There's more. Beneath the surface lies one of the planet's largest lithium reserves. Lithium is a key component in batteries, so in a way, this otherworldly destination powers the modern world. The salt flat is also home to 3 species of flamingos, which gather here during the breeding season, adding a splash of pink to this vast white expanse. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Located at the northern tip of Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. It's the hottest inhabited place in the world, with an average annual temperature of 35 degrees Celsius (95 degrees Fahrenheit). The depression lies over 100 meters, 328 feet, below sea level and is part of the East African Rift, a geological hotspot where tectonic plates are pulling apart. The landscape here is beyond bizarre. Think bubbling lava lakes, neon green acidic hot springs, and yellow sulfur fields that seem to glow under the scorching sun. One of the most famous features is the Erta Ale volcano, nicknamed the Smoking Mountain, with its persistent lava lake glowing red against the night sky. Despite its hostile conditions, the Danakil Depression supports life. The Afar people, a nomadic tribe, have adapted to these extreme surroundings, mining salt and living in one of the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth. Pamukkale, Turkey. The cotton castle of Turkey, Pamukkale, looks like a dream brought to life. These dazzling white terraces are formed by mineral-rich thermal waters cascading down the mountainside, creating natural infinity pools that glisten in the sunlight. The pools stay warm year-round, maintaining a temperature of around 35 degrees Celsius (95 degrees Fahrenheit). The Romans and Byzantines used Pamukkale's hot springs as a healing spa for centuries, and it's easy to see why. They're said to be beneficial for skin and joint health. Just above the terraces lies Hierapolis, an ancient city founded in the 2nd century BC. You can explore a well-preserved Roman theater, bathhouses, and even a necropolis with hundreds of tombs. Imagine soaking in warm, therapeutic waters with thousands of years of history just a stone's throw away. The door to hell, Turkmenistan. This place sounds like something out of mythology, but it's all too real. The Darvaza gas crater, better known as the Door to Hell, is a fiery pit in the middle of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. It's about 70 meters, 230 feet, wide and 30 meters, 98 feet deep, and it has been burning continuously for over 50 years. How did it happen? In the 1970s, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas when their equipment accidentally collapsed into an underground cavern. To prevent dangerous methane gas from escaping, they decided to burn it off, assuming it would extinguish in a few days. Instead, the flames have been raging ever since, creating an eerie, glowing spectacle that can be seen for miles at night. It's become a major tourist attraction despite its remote location, drawing thrill-seekers who want to see this fiery marvel up close. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Rising nearly 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters, into the sky, Mount Roraima is one of the most breathtaking and mysterious places on Earth. Located in the remote Gran Sabana region of Venezuela, this flat-topped mountain, or Tepui, is part of the Guiana Shield, one of the oldest geological formations on the planet. The top of the mountain is like a world unto itself. It's home to unique plants and animals found nowhere else, including carnivorous plants and strange rock formations shaped by millennia of wind and rain. Waterfalls tumble off the sides of the mountain, creating mesmerizing cascades that disappear into the jungle below. The sheer cliffs of Mount Roraima are so steep that it was considered inaccessible for centuries, and many local legends surround it. Some even believe it inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World. Cano Cristales, Colombia known as the Liquid Rainbow, or the River of Five Colors. Cano Cristales is one of the most vibrant natural wonders on Earth. Located in the Serranía de la Macarena National Park, this river is famous for its incredible colors, which range from bright red to yellow, green, blue, and black. The colors come from a plant called Macarenia clavigera, which blooms during the wet season from June to November. The result is a river that looks like it's been painted with vivid streaks of color. Beyond its beauty, Cano Cristales is surrounded by lush jungle and incredible biodiversity. You can hike to nearby waterfalls, swim in crystal-clear pools, and even spot wildlife like monkeys and toucans. Antelope Canyon, USA. Antelope Canyon in Arizona is a photographer's paradise and one of the most famous slot canyons in the world. It was formed over thousands of years by flash floods carving through sandstone, creating narrow passageways with smooth, flowing walls. The canyon is divided into two sections: Upper Antelope Canyon, known for its dramatic beams of sunlight that pierce through the narrow openings, and Lower Antelope Canyon, which features twisting corridors and stunning colors. Walking through these winding paths feels like stepping into a natural cathedral, where the walls glow in shades of orange, pink, and purple as sunlight filters through. It's a sacred place for the Navajo people, who call it the place where water runs through rocks. Our planet is full of wonders that defy imagination. From surreal salt flats to fiery craters, rainbow rivers, and ancient mountains, these 7 crazy places remind us of nature's incredible power and beauty. Which of these destinations surprised you the most? Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.